MewaJump sent us their durable chew toy, Carrot, so we can show you the features, let you know our thoughts. As you can see here, it is in a geometric cut shape. This is to help the dogs grip them with their paws so it's not sliding when they're gripping, especially if you have hardwood floors. It is a silicone material. It does have a squeaker. Also, it does have crinkly plastic in the leaves, and the leaves do have the corduroy material on top. This is a safe, durable chew for dogs. Let's give it to Marley and see how she likes it. Come on, Marley. Get it. She likes carrots, by the way. She likes the frozen carrots. She's 9 months old. She's a mini Bernedoodle, and she weighs about 40 pounds. Let's see if we can get a better angle of her. And she loves to destroy toys. Luckily, nothing else. She loves to chew on things. And I think this would be a good little chew toy for her. Would highly recommend.